Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Galaxia from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the glasses above her head with a curved line across. Turn it downwards on both sides. Across to the middle point, turn it diagonally upwards, across, and mirror the same shape on the right side right there. Above the glasses, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across right there. And below the glasses in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left, semicircular turn downwards on the left side. Curl it out at this lower point and sharp turn back upwards on the left corner and semicircular turn inwards to the side of her glasses. From the middle point, I'm going to draw another diagonal curved line to the right. Now below the glasses on the right, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards. Turn it outwards at this lower point. And on the right side of that, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards below the glasses. Semicircular turn downwards at that corner. Curl it back outwards at this lower point. Sharp turn upwards at the outer corner on the right. Flare it back outwards in the middle point right here. And turn it back inwards at the side of the glasses. Now above her head, I'm going to draw her ponytail with a curved line upwards. Turn it downwards on the right side. Copy that same shape again on the right side right here. Turn it downwards. And extend it downwards to her shoulder and curl it upwards at that point. Now for her face shape on the left, I'm going to draw below the hair a curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally inwards towards her chin, semicircular turn at the chin to the right, and mirror the same face shape on the right side. In the middle of her face, I'm going to draw an arch curved line across. Turn it sideways on both ending points at the side. Below that, I'm going to copy the same set of curved line again, right there. And above that, I'm going to draw her eyebrow with a line downwards off center at that corner. Turn it diagonally out to the outer corner. And I'm going to do the same thing at this upper point. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards in the middle point. Semicircular turn across to the outer corner on the right. Curl it back upwards at the outer corner. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across from the inner corner. Turn it diagonally upwards at the outer corner. At the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line right there. I'm going to copy the whole thing on the left side. Below her head, I'm going to draw her neck with a curved line downwards on the left side. Turn it diagonally downwards and outwards, and an arch curved line outwards at that corner for her shoulders. Turn it downwards, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side right here. Below the shoulder, I'm going to draw a diagonal line outwards and downwards. Semicircular turn at the elbow, back downwards with a diagonal line. And for the inner line of her arm, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line for the upper arms right here. And for the lower arms, a diagonal line inwards and downwards. Curved line across to the right, sideways, and curl it upwards. semicircle turn back out and to the left. Below the thumb, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line inwards to the right, semicircle turn downwards at that corner, semicircle turn back diagonally up on the left side, and turn it upwards to the left side of her wrist. On the right side of her left arm, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards and diagonally in, semicircle turn back out at this lower point. Continue that curve line outwards and down and turn it downwards towards her knee point. Now for the right side of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a curve line from the lower point of her shoulder outwards and down, semicircle turn back inwards at this lower point, and below that I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards, turn it slightly inwards at the waist and back outwards below the waist, and flare it slightly out on her thigh all the way to her knee point. For her right arms, I'm gonna copy the same shape as the left arm. In the middle of her legs, I'm gonna draw a curve line across at that corner, and off center of that line, I'm gonna draw the inner line of her legs with a diagonal curve line downwards and slightly inwards towards her knee point. Another curve line below the knee point, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the legs on the left side right here. Below the ankle point, I'm gonna flare it back outwards, semicircle turn downwards at that corner. For the inner line, I'm gonna flare it out as well. Curve line across to the right, turn it downwards, turn it sideways to the right, a rectangular niche at that corner, across, rectangular niche, and repeat that same shape across to the left corner of the shoe. For her right leg, I'm gonna copy the same shape. And for her foot, on the right corner, I'm gonna turn it diagonally out and downwards, sideways to the right, semicircle turn downwards. For the back part, I'm gonna flare it out below the ankle point and turn it downwards. Curve line across to the right, turn it upwards in the middle point right there, across, turn it downwards, across to the right, rectangular niche, turn it across, rectangular niche, across, and turn it upwards and sideways to the left at that corner. Now on her ankle point, I'm going to draw a U shape on the left corner, turn it arch to the right. Above that, a curve line across right there, and above the ankle, I'm going to draw a curve line right there and another one above that. On her calf, I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the back to the front and slightly downwards. Turn it back upwards at the front. Copy that same set of line at this lower point again, and above of that shape, I'm going to draw a V shape right there, and copy that same V shape at this upper point. Now for her left leg, on the ankle point on the left, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line, a U shape to the back. Copy that same set of line at this upper point. Below her knee, I'm gonna draw a V shape right there, and below that, I'm gonna draw another V shape from the outer corner. And halfway upwards on the right side, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back downwards. Turn it diagonally to the left and downwards. Below that, I'm gonna trace that line on the right corner right here. On the right side, I'm gonna turn it diagonally to the right and downwards. sharp turn back upwards to the left. On his right thigh, I'm gonna draw a line across at his inner corner, turn it diagonally downwards, curve line diagonally up to the right. Below that, I'm gonna draw a similar line in the middle point right here, sharp turn back to the left. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it diagonally upwards. Now for the patterns on her outfit, I'm gonna draw a star shape on the right corner right here. Like that. And I'm gonna trace the same outline at this inner corner along the edges right there. On the left side of that whole thing, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the left right there. Repeat that same diagonal line again 3 more times downwards. At the outer corner of that star shape, I'm gonna draw another star shape. And I'm gonna leave a gap on the left side. Repeat that same shape again at this outer corner. Now from the side of her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a line across above the star to the left, turn it diagonally upwards at that corner. Copy that same set of line again at this upper point. From the side of her upper arm, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards and to the left at that corner. Turn it downwards. Copy that same set of line again on the right side. At the side of her elbow, I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape at that corner. And copy that same set of line again at this lower point. From the inner corner of the lower arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the right. Turn it sideways to the right. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point. And above her wrist, I'm going to draw a few curved line across right there. And another set of curved line at this upper point. Above her hand, I'm gonna draw a small circle at that corner and a small circle below the hand at that point. On the left hand, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at the outer corner right here and a smaller one at the inner corner on the right. Now for the details of her hair, on each section of the hair, I'm gonna draw a similar line as the outer line of each sections. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.